on the oil field. We help oil rigs drill for deep-seated petroleum. In the mine, we help industrial and mining equipment dig for valuable minerals. On the road, we help galloping vehicles maintaining their perfect performance. On the farm, we help agriculture machines harvest a bumper crop. In the factory, we help smelt equipment smelt quality metal. In the city, we help construction equipment build beautiful homes. We are everywhere. We are specialized in operate product support and endless power for global industrial equipment. YONG-FENG Hydraulic Machinery Incorporated